Caution: the following instructions may damage your controller in various ways. Use at own risk. Thank you. Ba 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 ba.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart an Xbox 360 controller. First of all, you're going to need a 360 controller and a hard surface, like a wall, a ceiling, a floor, or your mom. But for safety reasons, I'm not going to use your mom. I'm going to use the road. First of all, hold it high in the air and then throw it on the ground like this. And that's how to take apart an Xbox 360 controller.
Have you lost your mind?
I'm brooming it up. Okay?
Get it out of the street before a car drives by. Are you playing with my camera?
Are you recording that joke? Keep recording. Okay, stop.
Put the wristband around your wrist so you don't drop it. Not kidding.
Joe, it broke.
Go get the broom.
Okay. I'll do it. I'm just gonna pick up the big pieces, okay? You press it again, Joe. And this is what a taken apart 360 controller looks like.
Don't go sucking those chicken wings. You may throw up. Don't go licking those G-strings. You may gag them up. Oh. Stop playing with my globe.